So we're just going to go over one of your examples from your application of similar triangles worksheet. So these are just word problems because a lot of them are asking for the same thing. So it's talking about casting a shadow and it's talking about finding the length of something else. Okay, so if we can do one, you guys can practice pretty much all of them. So let's take a look at the first one. So a tree 24 feet tall casts a shadow 12 feet long. Brian is 6 feet tall. How long is Brian's shadow? So first things first is to draw a diagram and label everything that we know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a tree. So this is my lovely looking tree, okay? And we know that this tree is 24 feet tall. 24 feet. Okay? And then we know that it casts a shadow that is 12 feet. So if the shadow would go out this way, right? Because this way would be the 12 feet, not going down. So this way would be the shadow is 12 feet. And what we can do is we can then connect our triangle. And then we know that Brian is 6 feet tall. So my little stick person, he is 6 feet tall. And we want to know how long Brian's shadow is. So we would mark it with an X. And then we can connect the little triangle there. Okay, so once we've done that, we now need to find the corresponding sides and the ratio. So what we're going to do is take a look. Okay, so we have this information here and this information here. So we can easily find the ratio, right? We take so we'll do our ratio equals the 24 over 12, which is going to give me 4. Okay, so our ratio is 4. So to go from 24 to 6, we are dividing by 4 because we're going from our big triangle to our small triangle. And when we go from our big triangle to our small triangle, we divide. And then so we now, to get our X, we take our 12 feet and we have to do the same thing. Divide by 4. So right now we're doing step 3. We're solving for the missing side. So 12 divided by 4 is going to give me as X equals 3. So I don't have a ton of room, so I'm going to go into the other box. Right, therefore, Brian's shadow is 3 feet. Okay, don't forget that we need to rewrite the feet. Brian's shadow is 3 feet long. Okay, so a lot of these are asking for shadows. So you should be able to set it up the same way and get a similar answer. One thing I want you guys to know is for question 4, okay, it's asking you for the perimeter. So what that means is you're going to have to find all the way around the triangle and add them up because the perimeter is just all the way around. Okay? So now I want you guys to practice, and if you do have questions, I want you to ask.